Hi, Mango. What is it you wanted to show? Huh? Yeah, your project? Oh my goodness. It has seen better days. Or it's perfect, huh? Is it perfect? Don't fall. Good job. Oh yeah, that's a very interesting spot. Alexa, stop. Yeah? And you were doing that? And that's your cutest feather butt in the whole wide world? Uh-huh. And you tear it up like this? Yeah? Uh-huh. And then what else? Yeah? You can come out like that? Oh. Very nice. Uh-huh. Yeah. That's pretty impressive. And you shuffle it around like that? And sometimes things end up out there? Oh. And what are you doing to that spot? Like that? Oh. Really? Huh. That's very impressive, my dear. Yeah? And what about these sounds you make? Are they your special boxing sounds? Yeah? Are you the fiercest predator in the world? Yeah? You're a little guard parrot, huh? Yeah. Oh, careful. Can I have kisses? Do you need a neck rub while you're surfing down the side of this box? You're the cutest. Yeah, you're going to try to cross your bridge? Oh, you need a neck rub again? Okay. Now you're done? Climb Mount Everest. Well, that's quite... Are you okay? Hey, I love you. You're so cute. You're so resourceful. Okay, you climb back in that box. And that's how you get over there, huh? And then you climb down here. And you like all sorts of different sizes, huh? And this box used to be like this. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to mess up your design. I put it back. I put it back. Are you going to bite me? Are you playing coy? There you go. You're so cute. Thanks for showing us your pretty cave. You've done a good job. I know you're a vicious. I know you're a vicious, very good protector. Huh? I love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.